A U-tube with both ends open to the atmosphere is partially filled with water, whereas oil is poured into one side until its standard distance of 10 mm above the water level on other side, whereas the water is rises by 65 mm from its original level also. So the question is, what is the value of density of oil? So here it's known that the pressure along a horizontal line in terms of liquid is always constant. So based on a given diagram, we can say the pressure in the oil will be equal to the pressure in the water. It's known that the formula for calculating pressure in terms of liquid is H rho G. So here we can write H rho G of oil will be equal to H rho G in terms of water. So when we are cancelling the similar terms, we will have H of oil, which means the height where the oil was there times rho. The density of oil is equal height of water times density of a water. It's known that the density of a water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So we have a value of H naught and HW in the diagram. The value of H oil can be calculated as 65 plus 65 plus 10. So which will be 140. Whereas the height of water is 65 plus 65 only, which is 130. So let us apply the values here. So 140 times rho of oil will be equal to 130 times 1000. When we are simplifying this, we will get rho of oil is equal 130 divided by 140 times 1000. When we are simplifying this, we will get the answer of 928 kilogram per meter cube. So the correct answer for the question is option C here.